The storm shows no mercy. Every step feels like walking through a frozen nightmare. Alone, lost, and fading fast. The cold bites deep. His strength is failing. One wrong move and the snow could be his grave. Then, from the white chaos, a shadow appears. Not a threat, but a guardian. Instinct over fear. The wolf leads and he follows. Through the unforgiving storm, towards safety. Inside the hidden cave, warmth and life return. Sometimes salvation comes from the wild, and the bond forged in the cold lasts forever. If you enjoyed this survival story, subscribe and hit the bell to see more epic tales like Frozen Pulse.